Driving a car is all about communication. You communicate with other drivers using your signals, your horn, hand signals, and even eye contact. Your car communicates with you as well, telling you how much fuel is left, how fast you're going, and even if there's a problem with how it functions. Hey, I'm Annie from Young Drivers of Canada, and I'm going to tell you different ways your car tells you it's in trouble. Your car communicates with you as well, telling you how much fuel is left, how fast you're going, and even if there's a problem with how it functions. Dashboard lights are the most obvious form of communication. It is literally a light shining in your face. They tell if you're running low on gas or oil, if your parking brake is still on, if someone hasn't fastened their seatbelt, or if the car door is still open. But there are other things your dash can tell you and other ways your car communicates with you. Your car's instruction manual will ultimately tell you what every symbol in your dash means or could mean. Yeah, that's right, could mean. And the reason I say could mean is all because of the dreaded check engine light, which is kind of the wild card of dash lights. The check engine light could mean something as simple as the gas cap was not timed properly, or as severe as your catalytic converter that needs to be replaced. So, if you didn't just pump gas and the check engine light comes on, you should probably get your vehicle to mechanic ASAP. Mechanics have a computer that connects to your car that will communicate exactly what the check engine light is trying to tell you. The car pulling to the left or to the right while you drive or brake, inconsistent steering, excessive play in the steering, grinding, screeching, or smoke emitting from the car are all signs that are easy to pick up on, regardless of your driving experience. Getting to know your car, the way it drives, feels, and sounds is the best way to notice more subtle changes. Changes that tell you about a small problem that, if checked, could catch something before it becomes a bigger problem. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and come back and check out some more new videos.